In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund on Temu and get your money back. Whether you've had a change of heart, received a wrong item, or something didn't quite live up to your expectations, this guide will help you navigate the process effortlessly. First things first, you need to head over to temu.com. It's essential to have everything you need at your fingertips. So open up your preferred web browser and type in the website's address. Once you're on the homepage, find the login section and log into your account. Having quick access to your orders and account settings is crucial in streamlining the refund process, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the orders and account section. You'll typically find this in a drop-down menu or a sidebar. It's the gateway to managing your purchase history. Once there, look for the returns option. It should be prominently displayed to assist you in proceeding with your refund request. Next, you'll be prompted to select a reason for the refund. This step is particularly important as it helps the platform understand your concerns and improve their services for future customers. Take a moment to choose the reason that best describes your situation from the available options. Once you've selected the appropriate reason, it's time to submit your request. This action flags your order for a refund, setting the wheels in motion for the next steps. If your return requires shipping the item back, Temu will provide you with a prepaid return shipping label. This is a significant perk because it simplifies the logistics of getting your item back to Temu without additional costs on your end. After you've received your label, package the item securely and drop it off at the designated shipping outlet. Make sure everything is in order before you send it off to facilitate a smooth return process. At this point, all you have to do is wait for the refund processing to be completed. It's worth noting that the time frame for this can vary, but being patient is key. Your refund should reflect in your account as per Temu's return policy guidelines. In some cases, you might not need to return the item at all. If the item is considered low value, generally under 14, or if it arrived incorrect or damaged, Temu might directly issue a refund without necessitating a return. Lastly, remember that you have a window of up to 90 days from the purchase date to initiate a return or refund request, so it's best not to delay. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to handle refunds on Temu with ease. Knowing how to navigate this process ensures you can shop with confidence, knowing you have options if something goes awry.